Brisk Teaching is an AI tool that is readily available in the Google Chrome store as a Chrome extension. As you can see from the screen, Brisk Teaching has two versions, a free version as well as a premium version. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Inspect Writing tool, which falls under the free platform. Now, when you're wanting to inspect student writing, this is to show you as a teacher the growth over time through a document. So what has transpired over a long period of time within that document, step by step, in an easy to view format. Now, while I don't have a student document to be able to pull up, I do have a document that has changed over this week because it's my weekly time log. So we do keep track of everything that we do here at the Illinois SLD Support Project on a daily basis, just on a quick time log. And I'm going to show you from the beginning of the week up until now exactly what has transpired in that document. Now, I could easily go up to File, and I could do version history, see version history, and I could go through and I could see everything that has been completed over the course of this week. But I find that to be a little bit cumbersome, and going through and seeing every single edit takes some time, especially if you have a lot of student documents that you need to go through. So instead, what I can do is I can launch the Brisk Teaching app, the extension. So I'm gonna go back to my document here, which I've done. And then I'm going to click on Inspect Writing. And what that's going to do is going to pop up a video and show me over time, and you can see the time running up here at the top, all of the edits that have happened over the course of the week within this document. Now, it also shows me large pieces of paste, which is really great because, as we know, sometimes students get a little paste happy when they go out and find something on the internet or within another document or resource, and they copy it and paste it right in. This is going to show you any large amount of text that has been pasted all at one time. So when this completes, I'm going to show you down here at the bottom that I actually have two large copy pastes, but what it's showing you is that I actually took my time log from last week and I made a copy of it before I started editing it. So that's my large paste. So don't really feel like that counts as something that I would have to worry about with a student if they started with a template and then you could see them go back through and they edited all through that template over the course of the document. So Inspect Writing is a great way for you to quickly see what's going on in a document over time that a student has written and see how the changes are occurring in a nice video format.